Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which country introduced a ban in August 2025 preventing children under 16 from using YouTube? Right answer is option C, Australia. Who received the United Nations Sasakawa Award 2025 for excellence in disaster risk reduction? Right answer is option D, Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra. Which state launched the Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gaon Yojana to eradicate rural poverty? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. What is the official name of the torch unveiled for the 38th National Games held in Uttarakhand? Right answer is option A, Tejaswini. Who won the rapid section of the 2025 Grand Chess Tour held in Zagreb, Croatia? Right answer is option C, T. Gukesh. Which institution launched the Drum app in June 2025 to promote eco friendly commuting routes? Right answer is option B, IIT Kharagpur. Who became the first female fighter pilot of the Indian Navy? Right answer is option A, Astha Punia. Who has been appointed the new acting president of the BCCI? Right answer is option C, Rajiv Shukla. Where was the United Nations Food Systems Summit Stocktake 2025 hosted? Right answer is option A, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Which state implemented the Annadata Sukhi Bhava Yojana to assist farmers with seeds and fertilizers? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which city hosted India's first transgender led Mitra clinic relaunched with support from Tata Trusts? Right answer is option A, Hyderabad. Which Indian state became the first to impose a statewide ban on begging? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. In which city was India's first equine disease free compartment set up? Right answer is option B, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first Indian to serve as CEO of Jaguar Land Rover in August 2025? Right answer is option A, PB Balaji. Where was the third United Nations Conference on Landlocked Developing Countries held in 2025? Right answer is option B, Avaza, Turkmenistan. Which country developed a blackout bomb without using gunpowder in July 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Who was elected as the head of communications and liaison of Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassadors Network? Right answer is option C, Sukanya Sonowal. In which lake were the Khelo India Water Sports 2025 held for the first time? Right answer is option A, Dal Lake. Which railway station became the first private railway station in Uttar Pradesh in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Gomti Nagar Railway Station. What is India's global ranking in organ donation and transplantation as of 2025? Correct answer is option D, third rank. In which district did Rajnath Singh and Yogi Adityanath inaugurate India's first defense equipment and drone manufacturing unit? Right answer is option C, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Which national team won the Copa America Femenina title in August 2025? Right answer is option A, Brazil. Which state lifted a 28-year-old ban on heritage sports like bullock cart races, dog races, horse races, and pigeon racing in 2025? Right answer is option A, Punjab. Which state hosted the 23rd Asia Regional Meeting of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons in July 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Which Indian origin executive was chosen as the new CEO of Air New Zealand in 2025? Right answer is option B, Nikhil Ravishankar. Which country was officially accepted as a partner country in the BRICS group in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Vietnam. Who inaugurated the indigenous spy plane project known as iStar in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Indian Air Force. In which wildlife sanctuary did the Madhya Pradesh government approve the transfer of cheetahs from Kuno National Park? Right answer is option A, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Which union territory became the 19th legislature in India to adopt the National E-Vidhan application in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Puducherry. The Indian Navy's indigenous guided missile warship INS Surat carried out a joint exercise with the Italian Navy in which maritime region? Right answer is option A, Arabian Sea. Which state or union territory launched the U Special bus service to support student transportation? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. In August 2025, which city of Tamil Nadu became the first to introduce a city biodiversity index? Correct answer is option C, Chennai. Which state launched a border tourism initiative in June 2025 to promote travel along its frontier regions? Right answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. The Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan completes 9 years in June 2025. On which date was this initiative originally launched? Right answer is option C, June 9th, 2016. Which country was reported to have the world's highest elderly population in September 2025? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which student set a world record in August 2025 by performing Bharatanatyam continuously for an extraordinary 170 hours? Right answer is option A, Ramona Pereira. Which state government introduced the Chief Minister Jeevan Anuprerna Yojana aimed at supporting research scholars? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which series won the Best Drama Series award at the 77th Primetime Emmy Awards 2025? Right answer is option B, The Pit. Which football club won the Premier League 2024-25 championship title? Right answer is option C, Liverpool Football Club. According to the National Annual Report and Index on Women's Safety 2025, which city has been ranked the safest city for women in India? Right answer is option B, Kohima, Nagaland. Which organization implemented the world's first shipping carbon tax? Right answer is option B, International Maritime Organization. Which country launched the project Secure in May 2025 to absorb carbon directly from ocean water? Right answer is option C, United Kingdom. India and China agreed in August 2025 to reopen which Himalayan border trade route after 5 years of closure? Right answer is option C, Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh. In August 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin to honor Emperor Rajendra Chola I. What was the denomination of this special coin? Right answer is option C, rupees 1000. Who became Nepal's first woman prime minister in September 2025? Right answer is option A, Sushila Karki. What is the newly assigned name for the Pachmarhi Wildlife Sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Raja Bhabut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary. During the 15th India Japan Annual Summit, the chief priest of which Japanese temple presented PM Modi with a Daruma doll? Right answer is option A, Shorinzan Darumaji Temple. India signed a memorandum of cooperation on critical minerals with which country? Right answer is option B, Japan. What is India's position in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 151st position. Who has taken charge as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option A, Justice Suryakant. Which state hosted the 10th Ayurveda Day 2025? Right answer is option B, Goa. Which district received the Fisheries Department's Excellence Award 2025? Right answer is option A, Kasaragod, Kerala. Who has been appointed the first woman chief of Britain's intelligence agency M16? Right answer is option A, Blaise Metreville. Where was the 28th National E-Governance Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. What rank did India secure in the medal tally at the ISSF World Cup 2025 in Munich, Germany? Right answer is option C, third rank. Who is the new managing director and India head of Meta appointed in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Arun Srinivas. Which state government bought Raghuji Bhosle's historic fort for rupees 47.15 lakh at Sotheby's auction? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Where was the 11th India Maize Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. In July 2025, where was a rare sighting of the great hornbill recorded? Right answer is option A, Kakkampara, Kerala. Who won gold at the South Asian Bodybuilding and Physique Sports Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, Yajik Hilang. Which Indian State's police won 95 medals at the 21st World Police and Fire Games 2025? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh Police. Which country approved the world's first anti malaria drug, Coartem Baby, for newborns? Right answer is option B, Switzerland. Which country honored Chanel's global CEO Lena Nair with the Commander of the British Empire? Right answer is option C, United Kingdom. Where did Union Minister Kamlesh Paswan inaugurate India's first agricultural drone indigenization center? Right answer is option B, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. From which Indian Navy warship were the extended range anti submarine rocket weapon tests conducted? Right answer is option C, INS Kavaratti. When is the International Day of Democracy 2025 observed? Right answer is option C, 15th September. Which position did India achieve in the medal tally of the 2025 Asian Under 15 and Under 17 Boxing Championship? Correct answer is option B, third position. Where was the 7th Regional Committee meeting of the International Solar Alliance Asia Pacific held in July 2025? Right answer is option A, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Where did the Union Education Minister inaugurate the Agritech Innovation Hub and Startup Technology Showcase? Correct answer is option A, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Who was appointed as the new Deputy Election Commissioner in September 2025? Right answer is option C, Pavan Kumar Sharma. What is the name of the mascot for Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gajasimha. Who among the following Indian boxers bagged gold medals at the Women's World Boxing Championship 2025 held in Liverpool, UK? Right answer is option A, Minakshi Huda and Jasmine Lamboria. Which country is set to host the 2025 Artistic Gymnastics World Championships? Right answer is option A, Indonesia. Which two countries will be the co hosts of the 4th UN Ocean Conference 2028? Right answer is option B, South Korea and Chile. In which location is India setting up its largest green ammonia project, a major step towards clean energy production? Right answer is option D, Gopalpur, Odisha. Which organization has become the first Indian entity to receive the Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Foundation to Educate Girls. Who became the new Vice Chief of the Indian Army in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Pushpendra Singh. India's first generation beta child was born in which state? Right answer is option A, Mizoram. Who is the first footballer ever to be awarded the US Presidential Medal of Freedom? Correct answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Who became the first foreign leader to be honored with the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, PM Narendra Modi. Which country has appointed Katrina Kaif as its global brand ambassador for tourism? Right answer is option A, Maldives. Which chess grandmaster claimed victory at the first Chess Esports World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Which Indian Navy ship is being transformed into the country's first underwater museum and artificial reef? Right answer is option B, INS Galdar. Which country declared in April 2025 that it will adopt green cryptocurrency to enhance its economy? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which Indian state is home to Woola tea, the brand that earned a patent for the country's first bagless tea? Right answer is option B, Assam. Which city has now become India's leopard capital by surpassing Mumbai? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India in 2025? Right answer is option A, Rajit Punhani. Which country will join the Eurozone as its 21st member from January 1st, 2026? Right answer is option A, Bulgaria. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was awarded the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III by which nation in 2025? Right answer is option B, Cyprus. Which country was the target of Iran's military campaign named Operation True Promise 3 in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Israel. Which country recently became the first in the world to appoint an AI generated government minister named Diella? Right answer is option B, Albania. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Estimates Committee in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Jaiswal. Which state has recently implemented an AI based real time alert system for forest management, becoming the first in India to do so? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been conferred the PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award for Economics in September 2025? Right answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. On which day is World Press Freedom Day observed annually? Correct answer is option C, 3rd May. Under which operation did the DRI act against drug trafficking networks in Delhi in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Operation Rainbow. What is the revised official length of India's coastline as per the Survey of India? Right answer is option C, 11,098.81 kilometer. Which artificial intelligence company launched India's first learning accelerator program in August 2025? Correct answer is option D, OpenAI. Who has been named as the chairperson of the Indian Weightlifting Federation Athletes Commission? Correct answer is option B, Mirabai Chanu. Which Indian state government has inaugurated Bapuji Vanam, the world's first energy transmission garden? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.